In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Microsoft Teams. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your project management by connecting these two powerful tools, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head to Asana's website. Go to the login page, and if you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one. Assuming you're logging in, enter your email address in the designated field. As you do this, ensure you're using the same email associated with the account you plan to integrate with Microsoft Teams. Once you've entered your email, click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password and make sure it's the right one to access your Asana account. After entering your password, hit that login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage where we'll begin setting up the integration. On your homepage, select a project you'd like to connect with Microsoft Teams. Click on any project within your dashboard that you'd typically like to receive updates from or collaborate on via Teams. After selecting your project, you'll see a Customize option on the right hand side. Click on that. In the Customize menu, scroll down and look for Apps, then click on it. You'll see different options for pairing Asana with other apps. Here, you'll want to select Add, which allows you to bring in extra tools to enhance your project's functionality. In the list of available integrations, find and click on Microsoft Teams. This is where you start establishing the connection between the two platforms. Click on Add to Project to proceed. After adding, you'll need to follow the prompt to click on Connect to Microsoft Teams. At this point, a new window will appear, asking for permission to allow Asana to connect with your Microsoft Teams account. Rest assured, you're not giving access to unnecessary data, just allowing the basic functions required for integration. Click on Allow and a confirmation message will tell you that the integration is underway. Finally, follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen to complete the connection. These could involve logging into your Microsoft account or confirming the Teams environment. Ensure all the permissions are granted properly to facilitate seamless integration. And that's it, you've now successfully integrated Asana with Microsoft Teams. From now on, you can easily manage tasks, share updates, and collaborate with your team directly through your Teams interface. Don't forget to explore the settings within Teams and Asana to fully customize how you receive your notifications and what projects sync automatically. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.